In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Acer laptop has hard drive or SSD. Maybe you're curious about performance, planning an upgrade, or just troubleshooting. The good news is you don't need any extra software. Windows has a built-in tool that tells you exactly what type of storage your Acer laptop is using, whether it's a traditional hard disk drive or a faster solid-state drive. This quick check takes less than a minute and doesn't change any settings on your computer. Start by clicking the search icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key and begin typing. In the search box, type the word fragment. That's enough to bring up the Windows tool we need, which is called defragment and optimize drives. On some versions of Windows, you may see it simply as optimize drives. Go ahead and open it. If search feels unresponsive, give it a second or make sure you're typing in the main start search field. You don't need administrator access for this, and it's safe to open. Once the optimized drives window appears, look for a table listing your drives. Focus on the column labeled media type. This is the key. In that column, Windows will identify each drive as either solid state drive or hard disk drive. If your main C drive says solid state drive, you've got an SSD. If it says hard disk drive, that's a traditional spinning drive. Some systems have multiple drives, like a fast SSD for Windows and a larger HDD for storage, so scan the list carefully. If the media type column seems cut off, just drag the window wider or adjust the column size so you can read it clearly. External drives will also appear here if they're connected, and they'll show their type as well. A few quick notes to help you interpret what you see. Windows treats SSDs differently from HDDs. SSDs don't need traditional defragmentation, so you'll notice the tool uses optimize for SSDs and defragment for HDDs. That's normal behavior and nothing you need to change. If the media type ever shows unknown, it's usually due to special configurations or drivers. Most standard setups will display the correct type right away. And that's it. Now you know exactly what kind of drive your Acer laptop has. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical PC tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.